channel again. Thank you so much for your love, for your support. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Today's video, we are doing Christmas seafood boil. Christmas seafood boil. No butter. Very healthy and very sweet. Relax, enjoy, watch me as I cook. Share my video, like and comment. God bless. I put the cooker on. So I'm pouring water in the pot. I have my sweet corn here, and I also have the potatoes that I will be using. So I'm going to wash it on the camera. Crab. So this is my crab. So I'll be adding it to the mixture. Potato has been thoroughly washed. So I'm putting it in the pot. I'm going to add a bit of salt. I'm going to add the sweet corn. Another sweet corn. So I will leave it to boil. So I have Sharon fruits. I'm going to blend the Sharon fruits. I have 4 Sharon fruits. It's been properly washed. I'm going to blend the Sharon fruits. I added in the blender, so I'm going to blend the Sharon fruits now. Look at that. I'm going to filter it. Sharon fruits is well filtered. So the next thing, I have my sweet peppers and the spinach bonnet. So I'm going to wash it off the camera, cut it, and I have sweet pepper, scotch bonnet, and onions. So I'm going to blend it. I'm going to add water to it and then blend it. It's well blended, so I'm going to add it to the Sharon fruit mixture here. I have my olive oil. This unfiltered olive oil, pure olive oil. So I'm going to use a little bit, just a little bit. So I'm putting it on my mixture here, just a little bit. I have black pepper, adding it to the mixture, just a little bit. A little bit of oregano, a little bit of ginger, paprika, a little bit of rosemary, a little bit of garlic. That's garlic. I'm adding a little bit more of oregano. And I'm going to add the oat bay. I'm adding oat bay. Oat bay to the mixture. Oat bay is very good for seafood boil. And the last one, I'll be adding the vegetable seasoning. You know me with my vegetable seasoning. That's what I'm adding. The way the mixture is looking good. Looking good. So I have my crab. So I'm going to pour it into the mixture. My peeled prawn. My peeled prawn, I will add it to the mixture. Mix it together. And leave it for 10-15 minutes. So I added crab and prawn. It's been marinating. So I left the crab and the prawn in the mixture for the past 20 minutes. I'm also boiling egg on this side. I have my water in the pot. So I have the potato here and I have the sweet corn here as well. So I have my roasting bag. So this is how it looks. This is how the roasting bag looks here. And I have this to tie the mouth. And the water is also boiling. So I'm going to put the potato so I'll put 4 there. I'm going to put the sweet corn. Okay. So I'm putting the mixture with the prawn and the crab into the bag. This seafood boil is very healthy. You don't need butter. You have your fruits, your mixture, your olive oil, and you're good to go. So you take it out from this side. And then I use a little bit here. I'm going to do the remaining. So I've put them in the roasting bag. You can get the roasting bag from any supermarket. So I'm going to put them inside this hot water. Cook something healthy for your family this Christmas. And cook this seafood boil. You don't need butter, you don't need honey. Very healthy. Cook it for them and thank me later. My family love this seafood. They are always asking me to do this seafood. You can put yours in the oven. I decided to do mine this way. So then, after packing it, you can put it in the oven. Maybe another time or another day, I will do one that I will put in the oven. It's too much, so I'm going to use another pot to divide it into two. I will allow them out to be hot, and then I'll cover it this way. So I'll see you when it's ready. Our seafood boil is ready. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's ready. Ready. If you don't want to put yours in the roasting bag, you can use your pan and use your pot. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.